Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to the grocery store, so I was like, why not vlog some content for you guys. So I'm going with my mom and my sister, and yeah, it's gonna be like a quick vlog today. So I forgot to do my intro, so here we are. Bonjour. It is so hot, oh my goodness. I swear, like, I can't with this heat. And it's so funny, whenever it's winter, everybody's like, oh my god, I can't wait for summer. And then when summer gets here, we're like, dang, I can't wait for winter. But, oh, my favorite season would have to be the spring and the fall. And yeah, it's just the best weather. But yeah, guys, getting in the car now. Ooh, it's hot in the car too.
Dada, your mama goes here.
No, I want to sit there.
Yeah, but what if I need help?
Help doing what?
Driving.
You're annoying. Mommy, you want to sit in the front or the back? See, I got the seat. So here's my sister. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, how you doing, guys? Mama Nuyela. Okunya nous allons au supermarket là.
So there was this video on Instagram that I saw last night, and it was basically like this girl, she was at a restaurant. I guess it was like one of those restaurants where you can cook in front of you, and basically the chicken that she was gonna cook, it came off of her plate and fell onto the floor, and she was just like screaming. And my sister, she was saying like she doesn't want to watch that because that sounded like hella creepy, and how the hell can a dead chicken just fall off the freaking plate like that? But if you guys have seen it or haven't seen it, I don't advise you to watch it because it's like kind of crazy. But yeah, my sister is just like shook. Look at her face.
I'm scarred. I didn't even watch it, but I can only imagine. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah. To go down this aisle, this is where my popcorn is. Oh, I forgot. Wesley's so lucky. At her job, she said the kitchen is fully stocked with snacks. Now, what job do you know has freaking snacks in the fridge?
Tech.
Whatever. I need to find me a tech job. Where's the baby wipes? They were here last week. Really?
Baby wipes.
No, there was a specific one that I bought. It said water wipes.
Many water wipes. Went over there.
Beep, 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 beep. I need to. Oh! Muncie! I stick to the one pack.
No, just get the pack and then give me one.
It has 4.
Yeah, you'll have.
This is a good baby wipe. I think when I get home, I'm gonna do just like a grocery haul for the rest of the video. And sorry if I had like stuff on my lips. I had put a mask on. And normally when I guess I have it on for too long, it turns white. So yeah, this is what I was telling Wesley about. That thing, they cook it and then they suck on the head.
Yeah.
Why are the scallops so tiny? I've never seen scallops so small before. So I'm finally back home. Probably took us like 2 hours to finish with the groceries. So I'm gonna do a little grocery haul for you guys. That person where I put the camera. But we normally buy pizza, just in case, you know, nobody cooks. And we got this cake because I was like, might as well get a cake for my birthday since it's coming up. And I like to have some chips with salsa. So I got this, and I got this salsa. We got apple cider vinegar just to clean your meat. If you don't clean your meat, what are you doing? We got some salad dressing, French and Caesar. Some ragu, because what's food without ragu? And then we got some cereal. If you haven't tried this with almond milk, I don't know what you're doing with your life, honestly. But yeah, then you got pancake mix. Skinny pop. This is a good popcorn, it's not too buttery. We got cups. And then it's not hot. I mean, it's not cold. This, if you have never tried this, oh my god. Like, I'm literally in love with this. It's so good. Next to the skinny pop, I always have to get this when I go to the store. Always. So, as you can see, I got 3 bags. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. We got some yogurt, some light and fit. We got some, we're gonna make some macaroni gratine. So we got some cheese, some shredded cheese for that. We got some mozzarella and some Mexican. Got some turkey and cheese. If you ever get like your turkey slice at the deli, you should ask for a boar's head, honey maple turkey. Don't ask me why I suggest it or I recommend it, but just order it. It'll change your life. Like Westin just said, it'll change your life. Got some baby wipes. Ooh, what's that on here? We got some plantains, banan for all my Haitians. Some macaroni for the gratine. And we got a cantaloupe. This is very small. This is like the smallest cantaloupe I've ever seen. They're usually, I have to carry it with 2 hands. This is really small. Reuse your bag, guys. Like, don't throw them away. Reuse them for garbage. To take some lunch. But yeah. Mommy, if I say ansanm, please. You can do it too, What? Show them what we have. What is your have some lettuce.
This is my favorite cereal. Honey Nut Cheerios. My second favorite is the Special K, just because it's a little bit healthier. We got this cake because someone's special day is coming up.
I said this already.
Oh, she said it already, so don't mind that.
This is the Special K. This is my #1 favorite. Don't put it in there because it's not cold. This is spinach.
This is my special cereal, the conchas.
And we got some sweet potatoes.
Nobody can touch it.
And we got some kale. We got some bananas.
What was that noise?
We got some evaporated milk, which is lait carnation for all the Haitians. Got a lot. My mom likes to make, what is it called? Avoine. And this is my milk.
Where's mine?
It's It's already in there. I don't drink regular cow milk. I stopped drinking that.
This is Wesley milk. If somebody touches, she will cry.
Yep. Oh my God! Don't say I'll cry.
But yeah, I stopped drinking cow milk. I think it was maybe. It was recently, and you know, I just wanted to see if my skin would change a little bit, and it has. So I stopped drinking cow milk. So yeah, that's it for my little grocery haul. I'll get back to you guys if I do something else. So yeah, bye guys.
The way that I got into tech was kind of funny. Or what influenced me to get into tech was kind of funny.
So I ate a little snack. I had some of my popcorn, my skinny pop. I think I'm just gonna chill and watch some more Netflix. I was watching She's Gotta Have It. I finished the last episode. Unfortunately, they're not coming back with the show, so I don't know. But I can also watch, if you guys haven't seen this show called Money Heist on Netflix, you need to watch it. Like, it's really good. It's like basically, it's originally in Spanish, but they translated it to English. But like, okay, when you're watching it, you're gonna see their mouth moving, but they're speaking in English. I mean, speaking in Spanish, but the person is speaking over them in English. Either way, I still watch it. It's really good. They're on season 3 right now, and I'm trying so hard not to finish the whole thing. So I've just been watching other shows. So yeah, you should definitely tell all your friends, share it with your peoples, and tell them how amazing I am. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.